What are y'all doing, Jovi?
We're making fall mix with these little carrot candy corns, little cheese ball pumpkin things, and these red and yellow M&Ms with chocolate and peanut butter inside.
These?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thane, what are you doing, buddy?
Um,
You're gonna mix it all into this bowl here, the big bowl? So Thane, is he choosing bugles? Is that gonna be your cornucopia too, Thane?
bugles. Yes.
Where are your cornucopias? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, y'all stir it all up and you can put it into baggies to save. You don't have to eat it all right now. Oh my goodness. And we're making it out of,
Pretty much all mixed.
we're making it out of the Utz Halloween shapes,
Actually, don't really.
but we're just calling it pumpkins. And then these are going to be our scarecrow noses. Let's see, these are our pumpkins.
I'm done.
And these are the cornucopias. What, buddy?
I think I'm done because that's pretty much all I want.
Okay, you didn't want to put any peanuts or what
Nah.
else? Did you not do your gummies?
No, I don't really want gummy bears.
I don't think those would be very good mixed in, but that's an option.
No, this is all I put in.
Okay, so y'all put them into your bags and then you can take them and eat them later for a time you need a snack. Now that looks like a scarecrow mix.
I'm just putting in the bugles because I want to eat the candy corn and the
M&Ms?
M&Ms.
Yes, we limited it to 5 candy corns, didn't we?
Why only 5 candy corns?
Well, that's good. That's plenty for now. All right, what are you here to do?
I'm making a scarecrow mix. It's like a fallish trail mix. And I've got some peanut butter M&Ms, some candy corn, bugles, which we're using as cornucopias, Cheetos. I don't know what that is supposed to be.
Ogre clubs is what you said.
Yeah, overflow. more Cheetos, some peanut butter pretzels, some cheese balls, and these gummies.
Fat gummies.
Yeah.
So the cheese balls to me look like little pumpkins. That looks fallish.
Yeah, little.
And these definitely look like cornucopias. We have done this before and not called it scarecrow mix, but it does look like scarecrow mix. All right.
Start with these.
Start with whatever you want.
I did too much in the last one.
Okay.
I need to put-
For Thatcher, you put too many?
No, no. I'm gonna eat a few.
Okay. Okay, let's tell them where you got your hat.
It's a $3 hat from Target.
in the dollar bin, which is no longer a dollar bin. But they had cute colors.
And I got this pumpkin.
Yeah, she got there for her room for decorating.
And next I'm going to add
The favorite things.
Yeah.
We kind of had to parcel those out because that's for everybody.
Let's see.
Now these candy corns are not organic. They put them in my mailbox in the heat of the day and they all kind of are goopy together. These that we did divide out are everybody's favorites.
Yeah.
I only get them a couple of times a
Okay,
year.
next I'm gonna do peanut butter pretzels.
All right.
What are we gonna call them?
I don't know. What we
Like
had
little-
done were the stick pretzels and called those bones, but we don't really want to do scary. We're trying to do just fall, so we'll think of something.
Those could be
Hay
like-
bales or something.
Yeah, so I don't know. I'll do the Cheetos.
Okay. Is it basically all going to go in that one bowl and then we're going to put it in the bag? Okay.
I want to see what these ones will taste like.
A few things are organic. Mama will be happy.
That's good. A few of those puffy Cheetos. And a few of these ogre clubs.
What?
But it's
The ogre clubs?
yeah, or they could be like
Corn stalks?
yeah.
Well, this is fun, Hunter. She's here today to do piano, and this is her little break. All right, what do you lack?
20 tortillas.
Okay.
Oh no.
So we have so much stuff. I'll probably be sending maybe these to the offices. I don't know. We just needed a couple of them. Any of the leftovers we'll send. I thought they would like peanuts, but I was wrong. Hunter, you have your drink behind you if you're looking for it. Last thing, Yum Earth. Maybe we put one bag too many in yours. I'm thinking maybe one type of Cheetos.
I
All
only
right.
put like 4 of the purple ones.
Do you want to try to make it into the baggie so we can see if it looks good and polished?
Yeah.
Now you could do this with a popcorn base instead of so many chips.
Yeah,
What else?
there was popcorn in there. I just didn't use it.
Yeah. They had already made popcorn today, so they didn't want.
Oh, no.
Shake it up and let's see what it looks like.
I used too many chip things.
No, you didn't. That'll last you a long time. So we gave Scarecrow Crunch to the office staff.
It needs more colorful, not just yellow stuff.
Okay. I think that's plenty of gummies.
Yeah.
They're gonna taste salty. So, what would you rate that? Pretty good
For easy.
for easy and for goodness and
For
tasty.
easy and for goodness. So for easy, this is about like a 7 probably for easy. Because like littler kids could do it really easily. And for the good, I think it's also probably like an 8 or 9.
It's delicious, and it doesn't have all nuts in it, which that's hard to get trail mix without nuts. I bought nuts, and I didn't realize they were not going to put those in there.
You can put it in.
I might put that in Dado's in mine.
Your turn.
Okay, sister.